Brethren, families and friends of Masons, ladies and gentlemen, it is our utmost pleasure and honor to welcome you, and together, let us chronicle one of the glorious ceremonials in Freemasonry, our 23rd public installation of officers of Datu, Lapu, Masonic Lodge number 347 for Masonic year 2026. Maayong hapon, kanatong tanan.
Brethren, family of Masons, and friends of Masons, a pleasant afternoon to all. In behalf of the brothers, the officers, and the members of Datu, Lapu Masonic Lodge number 347, Free and Accepted Masons, we welcome you all to our 23rd public installation of officers.
Brethren who have gone before me, I offer my respect and gratitude. To those who will come after, I offer my commitment to leave this lodge stronger than I found it. Brethren, the gavel is now in hand. The work awaits. Let us begin. Thank you, and may the great architect of the universe guide us all in all our endeavors.
This term has taught me that leadership in Masonry is not about authority, but about service. It's about setting aside self, working in harmony, and striving to leave the lodge better than we found it. If I have accomplished even a portion of that, it is because all of you so supported me. Now, I lay down the gavel. I do so with confidence in the future. I entrust in the next set of officers, knowing that they will continue the work with the same zeal, integrity, and brotherly love that defines us.
So, as you depart from this gathering and return to your respective neighbors, carry these teachings with you. Let it guide your decisions, shape your actions, and define your year. Stand upright, act with purpose, and remain aligned with the principles you have sworn to uphold. If you do so, the lodge will not only endure, but will thrive. It will stand firm, well-aligned, and worthy of the name it bears. Datu, Lapu. Maraming salamat po at naway manatiling tuwid ang ating paninindigan at matatag ang ating kapatiran.